finally turned up. 2021 Ride Warpig, it's here. I ordered this thing in March or something and it's finally arrived. So let's get this thing out of the box because I am super excited to see it in person, and then we'll check it out and see what it's like. Oh yeah, that's the Warpig, all right. Whew. Look at that beauty. I've been waiting so long to be able to check this board out, and it's finally here. It actually turned up at lunchtime. It was so difficult to not open it up then and there. I wanted to save it to get my actual official reaction on tape for you guys. So, the Ride 2021 Warpig. My first thoughts on the board, I quite like the top sheet. It's probably my preferred one over last year's design. However, I do prefer last year's base with the bright orange. I do quite like this base still, although I would have liked to have seen them, go brighter again, keep the pink, but, really make it pop. But, I mean, that's just details. It's not actually going to affect the way the board handles or anything. This is my first volume shifted board, which means it's still got a large surface area, but instead of being really long, they've shortened it down and made it a lot wider. As if we grab a board out from here, here's the drawer, and you sit them kind of next to each other. You can see there's quite a bit more width involved in it. I cannot wait to get this board out on the snow to actually give it a try and give you guys a proper review on what I actually think of this board. Though that at the moment is a lot easier said than done, as getting tickets for a start is extremely difficult. For Threadbow, it took me something like 14 hours waiting in line to be able to pick up 11 tickets for a ridiculous amount of money because season pass discounts weren't working because they cancelled season passes and gave us discounts instead. So I was hoping for 25 days, however ended up with 11 and paid probably twice as much because of those lack of discounts. Although we are sorting that out, and I have heard of people getting the discounts supplied and refunds. So fingers crossed that happens really soon because I'm currently broke, spending way too much money on lift tickets. In a way, it's also a good thing as the snow season started late this year because of COVID-19. And there really is no snow around. You check out the snow cams and it's pretty bare. So in a way, I guess it's a bit of a blessing that we won't be getting up there till later on anyway. But as soon as I can get up there, get on snow, I will be testing this out. We're pairing it with the Ride LTD bindings. And I will let you guys know what I feel about both of them. So the bindings and the board. But yeah, super stoked. Love how this top sheet, it's just matte kind of finish. There's no real gloss or anything to it. It feels textured. It's got to be one of my favorite boards straight out of the package. Having not ridden it, I don't know about that part, but yeah, I'm super pumped and really, really excited that it's here. Just cannot wait to get up the mountain. So yeah, I cannot wait to get up there. Like I said, I have 11 days at Threadbow this season so far. Might get some more. We'll see whether they actually refund my money first. Otherwise, I'm also going to have an Epic Pass, which will get me to Perisher, as well as Falls Creek and Hotham. Likely see a few days up there, no doubt. But yeah, we'll see how the season goes. And yeah, I'm excited. So stay tuned, I guess, for a review on both the Ride as well as the Jones Mountain Twin that we did earlier on. And I've got a bunch of other new gear, jackets, boots, and some bindings. And we'll let you know what I feel about it all. So some of the technical, which is kind of all just found on the back here. Link in the description below if you want to have a bit more of a look in depth. But until we actually get this on the snow, it's hard to know for sure what any of it actually rides like. It's a directional snowboard. It's significantly longer in the nose compared to the tail. It's volume shifted, as I said before, which means it's quite a wide board and short compared to what you would normally ride. It's also got a sintered base. It's rocker in the nose and the tail, otherwise flat between the bindings. And yeah, it's probably a mid-range board. I think from memory it had a flex rating of about a 4, but I'm not 100% sure on that. Again, a link in the description below to find that stuff out, because it doesn't actually say that on the back here. But yeah, cool. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one.
If I bleed tonight, if I am sad tonight, I don't have a job.